Alright, what's good, y'all boy? We got a little POV for y'all boy, man. I know y'all can't really see too much. You know what I mean? We is in track mode, and it is about 60 degrees out right now. So I got the cat out. Can't even speak. But I'm gonna crack the window just a teeny bit, y'all boy. I ain't gonna give y'all too much, cause I don't want too much window. You know what I mean? But yeah, y'all boy, we hit 20K subs, man. We hit 20K subs, y'all boy. So, like I said, we appreciate y'all, boy. We appreciate y'all. This was a long, little journey, man. Long, little journey. Only the real ones know where we came from, man. But 100K is next. And we just been waiting for it to hit that 20K. Now, but to turn it up for y'all, boy. But yeah, we about to start turning it up for y'all boy, man, so. But yeah, we finna start turning it up for y'all boy, man. Like, let us know what we should do to the cap, man. Like, we hit the 20K, y'all got us to the 20K, man. Like, that junk is crazy. That junk is crazy, man. Not gonna lie. That junk is crazy. Like, just can't wait till that 100K now. That 100K, get that plaque. Oh, man, it's gonna be a good one. No cap. But this year is gonna be a good year, man. Like, this year already starting out good. If y'all haven't tuned into our Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, I know y'all watching it on YouTube right now. Right there, man. Them boy always getting somebody. They always getting somebody. No kizzy cap, man. But yeah, y'all boy, let us know, man. I'm gonna just give y'all boy a POV. This is just a POV just to like hear how the car sound, man. And I want to point the supercharger, man. I want to point the supercharger. Any tune shops that's out there that wanna, you know what I mean, that got a good, that know how to tune these Mopars, man, let me know, man. Let's work. I think it's about this time that, you know what I mean, I just need this junk to say 900 wheel. You know what I mean? Nothing too crazy. I just need that junk to say 900 wheel. This junk is not, bro. Y'all boy don't got no headers. Y'all boy don't got no headers, man. Y'all boy, y'all need to get some. You know, I was gonna go 1 7/8, but nah. 2 inch for the win, man. 2 inch full win. Pause, man. Cause I already know how some of y'all boy go in the comment section, man. But ain't none of that going on, you feel what I'm saying? But yeah, let me see if I get y'all boy a little pull real quick. Just stay with me real quick. Just give me a little sec. I'm gonna give y'all boy a little 60 roll. 60 roll. Second gear. Nothing too crazy. I be hating when cars do that, bro. They be trying to do that at the last little minute. Look at that boy right there. Get up. Go 60 real quick, man. I guess 50. Let's go. wind is crazy. But just a little slight pull, man. Just a little slight pull for the nighttime. And whoever wanna link up and let's link up and do some POVs, man. Y'all boy tripping, man. Link up, let's do some POVs. I'll turn y'all boy back on when we get some space. No kizzy. Yeah, we might find us a little snack, man. There's a little traffic out here, but this Camaro acting crazy. This Camaro acting crazy. Raise his hand. Man, nobody wanna give this thing a I don't know why people scared of Hellcats. Like these junk, like I'm stock right now. I'm really was trying to get like a little stock run in before I tune this thing. But people just be scared. This junk just sound angry, y'all. Like this junk just disgusting. But I guess we're not gonna be able to find anybody tonight. Hopefully come across somebody and want to get some posts with somebody, man. So yeah, let us know. Go in our DMs and let us know if y'all want to set up a race, man. We stole stock. We stole stock. Ain't nothing got done yet. We just got some headers and intake, and we're not tuned yet. So I'm just trying to get some stock runs real quick. I'm trying to see what it could do before we go tune, man. But we appreciate y'all for the 20K, man. Y'all boy, yeah, man, it's going up, man. Like I said, we already starting off the year out strong and good. So y'all boy just continue to stay with us, man. We won't disappoint y'all boy, man. But yeah, it's the HemiTwinz.